Hi guys! I will show you today how to make a very crunchy bite-sized pork cracklings, or what we call chicharon in the Philippines. It's a very lengthy process, but it's all worth it in the end. Okay, let's begin. So we will need 1 kilo pork skin, fats removed, a little bit of salt, and 1 liter of cooking oil. And because we're currently locked down here in Melbourne, I can't go to the market, so I got my pork skin from Coles, which is also a good thing because the skin is now well cleaned, fats removed. So all I need to do is wash them with warm water and pat it dry with a tea towel. Okay, first thing, we need to cut them into 4 inches by 6 inches in size. And I'll just quickly place them in a wire rack. Sprinkle with a little bit of salt. So make sure it's on both sides. Okay, so put them in a wire rack and place them under the sun for up to 6 hours. And we also have to make sure that you place a food net cover to avoid any flies or insects feasting on top of the pork skin. So after 6 hours, this is what the skin looks like. So it's dry, light brown, and you can see a little bit of oil dripping at the bottom. Okay, our next step is to cut them into bite sizes or small pieces. You can use a scissor or a cleaver to cut them into your desired sizes. Okay, it looks like I'm making a slow progress using my scissor because it's not that sharp, so I'll quickly switch on to a cleaver. So here we go. I've now cut them into my desired bite sizes. Okay, our next step, we have to prepare a large wok, and we have to pour a liter of cooking oil or a vegetable oil, and we will make sure that the flame is set to the lowest heat setting. So we're going to boil our pork skin in oil for the next 2.5 hours. And please take note, they won't cause any splatter, so don't be scared to try this. So all we need to do is to keep stirring every 5 minutes just to make sure that they're evenly cooked. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell all button for all the latest recipe updates in my channel. So after 30 minutes, this is what your pork skin looks like. And after an hour, just continue stirring it every 5 minutes. So guys, we've been boiling the pork skin for 2.5 hours now, so it's time to turn on to medium heat. As you can see, the skin has now started popping up a little bit. So all we need to do now is turn off the heat, and it's time to transfer the pork cracklings in a container. And we have to leave it for 1 hour to cool down. So this is what the pork cracklings look like after boiling them in oil for 2.5 hours in a very low heat setting. And so our next step, which is our last step, and this will be the second fry. So using the same oil, we need to heat the oil in a very high heat setting, and oil must be boiling hot so that you can hear the pork skin crackles while doing the second fry. Okay, you can see at this stage that the pork skin has started to pop up a little bit. Here you go, our pork crackling is now cooked, and we can now transfer them on a serving plate. Crunchy. Yummy. There you go. Hope you all enjoyed my video, and thank you for watching.